Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Anybody Can Do. Uh, First of all, congratulations to all who got selected in GSOC 2021 and all the best for your new journey. So, in this video, we will talk about what to do in the GSOC community bonding period. Because many of you have a question what to do in the community bonding period in GSOC. So I think this video will be helpful for those who don't know what to do and how to proceed with your project and so on. So let's get started with the video. First of all, what's like a community bonding period, right? So community bonding period is the time given to you to interact with your team and with whom you are working for the next 3 months, means your mentors and your community with whom you are working for next 3 months. So you can do this is what the community bonding period means. And the next, and also don't think like if your internship starts from the next month and so this month or 15 days you will be free. No, say big no to this. Because you have a lot of things to do in this period to just impress your community with your hard work, to show them so that they can give you good remarks at the time of evaluation, which is a very like beneficial for a particular participant. So you are not free at all in this period. And the next, let's talk about what are the things that you can do in this period and how. Basically there I have discussed some points that you can do in this period. So first of all, you can improve your skill, because anytime what happens, we know 2 to 3 skills, right? If our project needs 4 skills, so suppose you know 3 skills, okay, so you can improve or try a beginner's level to the 4, or you can improve your skill like if you are a Python programmer, right? Some certain points that we don't know while working on a project about those the features and a lot more we don't know about that, so you can work on that. And the next point is you can analyze your project and communicate with the mentor. Here analyze your project means you can like find the bugs in your project, you can try to run your project, is this working or not. So bounded in the project guidelines, like you just have to do the part they written in the project. So try to do a lot more, so this will increase your knowledge how the open source work, so that if you continue this journey you can come in contact with them and work on a higher level. So this is what you can analyze your project and communicate with the mentors, what are the crucial parts of your project, or how this code works and how this code works, what to do in the project next. You can make a complete roadmap with the communication of your whole community and mentors. So this will also help you just to get your evaluations done. As you all know, we have 3 evaluations in the GSOC. So the next point is you can find the most difficult part of your project and start working on it, which you think like this part will take a lot of time while working on it. So you can start working on that part of your project, because you have now 15 to 20 days just to spend on that part, so it will not be difficult for you at the time of completion of that part of a project, so you can work on it. And the next is you have to do a complete interactions with your mentor, even a twice a week, thrice a week, or on every day. Just give them a proper update of everything you have done in each day. and so on. So they will also get contact with you, and you can talk with your project and what are the things you are planning to do next, and help you while completing to your project. You can extend your knowledge on your project. Okay, and at so this is what you can start practice to make your weak skills strong. You can start working on the needs more time as expected, and at the end you can extend your knowledge. Okay, so you can start working on that part of your project which you think it's impossible or difficult to do. So you think this part will take a lot of time, so this is a crucial time that you can spend on that part of a project, which is very helpful for you in your next 3-month journey. So this is what you all can do in this community bonding period. So if you want more information about any part of your GSOC, you can leave a comment below. I will be here to just communicate with you and to solve your queries. So that's all about the video. I hope you like this video, and if you like, don't forget to share my channel and this video so that get benefits and clear their queries. So do support me guys. Thank you so much. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.